been some time. Stuff was happening last week, so I didn't end up streaming. Not last week, but Wednesday. So I wasn't doing that. Stuff came up, but now I'm back. It's time to get to work. Finish this up. We're very close. All we have is a little bit left to go, and then we are free from the refactor and can start working on new content. Important things, you know, that sort of stuff. Hold on, I had decided I was going to do something. So, to make it easier for me to make the monthly devlog stuff, I decided I'd keep pen and paper on in front of me so that I can write down all the stuff that I do, all the major stuff that I do. So, looking at GUI new, let's open up the game and see actually where we stand. Alias Mundus, new game. Movement is all working. Can click on stuff. There's stuff that I can do with that, but we'll see. Alright, so. What do we need to do? We need to do, if I'm not mistaken, population. Yeah, we need to do population nation data. Hold on, let me open up Notion. I don't know if this will pop open on the main screen or if, okay, yeah, it would be on the main screen. I don't mind showing the Notion, but wait, this is not for this game. Oops. There we go. So this is something I added a little while ago that I need to do, checking if JSON files are valid, because I realized that I was just loading them in as is, assuming that they were fine, even though they are moddable, so they need to be checked. Okay, I did write everything down. Alright, cool. Nations, populations, map modes. Map mode package, player map mode control. Alright, cool. So let's get started. I'll do populations first. Alright, so this is old population structure. We have, okay, so these are the structures for the for that stuff. So we do it like that. Look at the old. Put this over here. So we have pop, which is, I have it as a U32, but I think I'm going to change it to U64. And then we have ancestry, culture, religion. Unknown was just a filler, just in case we needed it. Also because it made it to a full 64-bit, but because we have these structures now, we don't really care about them. No. Currently, just to refamiliarize myself, because it's been a week about, world map has list of ancestry, culture, and religion. So we don't want it to be. We want to simplify things. So like that. That essentially means that a population before was 64-bit was 8 bytes. Now it's up to, what is that? 8 times 4 1632 bytes. Brought it up by a factor of 8. Or no, 4. Yeah, factor of 4. I'm stupid. But yeah, it's fine. It doesn't really change much of the change. Ooh, it doesn't really change that much. I forgot to start the timer. So now we have population structure ready. So now we just need to go to province structure. So this is data local ID. Is local ID used? Because I can index them by their name. If I comment that out, does it compile? Yes, it does. Okay. I don't need that anymore. If I comment this out, does it compile? Yes, it does. Okay. No, it doesn't. I mean, okay, so we have color, terrain, province type, infrastructure, population list, which will be a dynamic array. Is this the thing that's creating it? Yes, it is. Why did I name it world map? That makes more sense. Why did I name... I named things weird. Oh, it was because I have them both as init and close. I'm just going to rename them inits because I know what folder they're in. I need to know what they're for. Now, just to make sure, build a bit, make sure everything, undeclared name, population. That would be here, so import dot population build. Oh, that's right. Forgot. Build. Here we go. So these are enumerations that aren't used anymore. Right? No, they're used. I need to not use them. The province type is fine. but terrain needs to change. This is that init. I need to look at world map init. There is so much stuff here. God, I need to, you know what, I'm going to actually separate some of this stuff out into other things. Check surroundings, collect points, remove colors, new file, province, image, editing, wait no. I'll do that. I'm at a disadvantage right now because my wrist is actually in pain. So, just take all of these, apply borders, generate alpha mask. We just make sure all of these. Okay, so check surroundings. Checks if there is pixel the same color adjacent. I don't remember what this is. Pixel count. What with the get image color. Check surrounding. I don't remember, I'll be honest. These have been clears province color to white, generates a border around the image. This was for 2. Plus equals 1. Actually, I don't need to do that. I can just do. Cut that, paste it there. Now it's 1 line. Now it'll do it every. Now, yeah, now that setting is at the top here and I can change it. I think it's fine as it stands. Let me just make sure. Yeah, for now this is fine. I need to make it bigger. Generates an alpha mask, that's known. I need to, I'm just going to do this as a general comment up here. Go through and comment everything. Comment everything. I do need to import. I don't know what else we need, but we'll find out here. Colors. All right, so import utilities. Is it utilities colors? Yes, utilities colors. There we go. That is done. Moved all that. Load nations. Let us population. Here we are. it is part of the map provinces file that population is used, so we know what they are. We know that they're there. So in the JSON data we can look. So let's go with pop data is equal to JSON data dot JSON dot object, and it would be in parentheses. Oh wait, no, province data, because we're already looking at the object. So province data. Oops, I copied that. I didn't mean to. Province data. So this is the province. We need to look at the population, and the population is stored as. See, I've been working on another project that also, and I've been playing a lot more with JSON, getting a lot more familiar with it, and I definitely think I need to change this. Change it like this. Change this to that. It's a small change, but it's an array now. But this also means that I have to go through every single one of these and change it. But I do think it is much more efficient. Well, I don't know if it's actually more efficient, but it makes a lot more sense. Okay, so there will be some that... What the fuck was that noise? That was a weird fucking noise. I didn't know my phone made that sort of noise. I still don't know what that was. Well, I'll figure it out after stream. So for some of these, like these, it'll be easy because these don't have people in them. So it's an empty array. And we will quickly find out if there's any problems. By if it yells at me. 13. Okay, so that's all done. Alright. Population dot JSON dot array. So this is a JSON dot array for pop in pop data. So we just we create a population dot population equals that. We do need to, oh no wait, it's already used. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, there. So, actually, I think I can just do it from here. So, if I look at it like this, I'm gonna change it to count. It makes a lot more sense as count. So population dot count is equal to pop data pop dot. Oh wait, no. It's a pop dot JSON dot object in parentheses. I mean in square brackets. What is it? Do I have it as count? Yes, I do have it as count here. Count. I think that's right. Boom, boom, boom. Separate those. And it's the same names, so I can just copy them from there. History, culture, religion. But how I go about this is different. So instead of it's the same names. Cool. Just making sure. Instead of that, because they're string, well actually dot I forgot to set them to the correct values. There we go. These will dot string copy paste paste, so they're all strings. I need to have it. What is it? What am I thinking of? I need to put these inside of that and look at prov dot ancestry list and then just copy that for all of these, but change ancestry list to culture list to religion list, and then a pointer to those. Build. Only operate on unions and any get object 190. Prov data JSON object. Oh, it already knows that it's a JSON object, doesn't it? Invalid type population dot count. Oh wait, that's right. I need to do that because this is declaration. Prov of type province data has no field. Oh, I have it prov, so it would actually be data build. Population is declared but not used. Yep. So prov is it. Pop list is a dynamic list. Cool. Adds it into the list. For each one of the pops in there, it adds it to the list. Build. It compiles. And now, let me go to UI, province menu, populations. If current selection, game data, player data, that current selection, prov type is equal to base, print, draw text, I think, oh, I don't have it saving average, the averages yet. I need to do that as a part of the average. So before I do, let me compile that first. Oh yeah, got all this. Okay, player.data has no type, province type. What is it? Oh, it's just type now. Changed its... I changed it. So, of type population has no field pop. Ah. It's count now. And then game data over here. And it's not graphics data, it's just graphics.font build. And it compiled. Cool. So, finishing up here, pop. Let me just do another thing like this. Yeah, I need to have an entire fucking... You know what, I'm not gonna do this. Right this instant, I'm just going to have a, is the average... It is just a pop, so I need to do this. Pop data. Oh wait, no. Pop lists, and I'll just do the first member of it. Just do that. It'll be able to display stuff, and that's all I really need it to do. Oh fuck. 204 in world map init. Let me push that up, and then if pop list length pop list is greater than 0, do that. And then prov.av pop equals population. I do else. Actually, no. I think it'll be fine. I don't think it'll display anything, or it'll display 0, which is fine for now. Let's see. Okay, so I have a little bit of debugging to do. Ancestry.name. Can I just do that? Will that work? Let's see, I guess. Boom, boom, save. I feel like that should work because they're pointers to the name. If it doesn't show the name themselves, it'll show the pointers. Yes, it'll show the pointers. but if I dereference them, that should work. Dereference them, and now, boom. Yep, human Riverlander water goddess. Shows the average population. Go over here, elf drow. Ooh. Oh yeah, and it crashes when it reaches a... Okay, so it crashes when it does that. Let me just do an else and create a 0. Can I just do nil? Like, this should technically already be what's in that position. Right? Yeah. You know what, actually? I know what I can do here. Current selection dot average pop dot count is greater than 0. As long as it's above 0, display them. If it's not above 0, you do not do anything with it. Right, okay, cool. I will have to fix like UI elements and stuff like that, but for now that works. That all works. Cool. Let me get rid of this to do. So I'm pretty sure that means populations are done. Nations. Now I need nations. Was there some? There was something I put off, wasn't there? I don't remember. Oh well. It wasn't very important if I don't remember it. We're only 25 minutes in. Well, 27 minutes in. Okay, so map, new file, nations.json. What the fuck? That's not what I... Alright, so... Okay, actually, let me close that. Keep this open. Yeah, I need that. Let me open up. I can actually delete that. Ooh, average population. I can grab that. Oh yeah, average population. That's what I was gonna do. You know what? I'll do that right now, actually. Just really quickly. Let me open up the average population thing I have here, and then go over here to population, new file. Package, population. Okay, so Oh, okay, yeah. That's a very good point, actually. It's not average, it's mode. Change the name. Proc. It needs to be... I don't know if I need the entire province, but is it provinces or province? Provinces. And then it outputs a population. So actually, couldn't I just do return and then yeah, this all fits well with what I want. I can just return it like that too to make it simplify it. Okay, so total population is the easiest one. Let me just paste that. 64. I think that's simplify it to that. That's basically what I did here, but I did it with a different type of loop that made it overly complicated. Now for the modes, mode ancestry. Oh god. Oh, what the fuck did I do here? Okay, so I made a map of U8s called values and a dynamic list of U8s called index. You know what? I'm just going to do something else. You know? Hold on. Come on. There is silent. Sorry about that. Okay. Is that in population? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Alright, so what do we do here? So prov dot, well, actually no, hold on. So I can go wait, what? Oh wait, let's see. No. So I have an idea. Wait, oh, fuck. God, it doesn't help that my fucking wrist is killing me. I don't know what happened. Like yesterday I slept on it wrong. And it's been hurting for the past couple days. Should probably have taken time out to massage it to try and make it feel better instead of just leaving it be. So my thinking about how to do this. You know what, actually I have an idea. Ancestry pop. And then for pop in prov dot pop list ancestry pop by the pop dot ancestry plus equals pop dot count. So basically it creates a map of populations mapped by the pointer to ancestries, and then it goes through each of them, gets the pointer to them, and uses that as the index and just adds to it. And then we just have to iterate through each of these and see which one is of these is the largest. So for pop in ancestry pop, ancestry 3. Wait, no. Do value. Have it equal to nil to start with. If max is equal to u64 equals 0. If max is less than pop.count. Oh, pop. Actually, no. Fuck. If it's less than pop. Oh, wait, no. It would be ancestry pop. Pop. This would be the pointers. If max is less than or equal, less than ancestry pop, max is now equal to ancestry pop, and value is equal to pop. And then at the end we return pop. Now I'm wondering why it was crashing when it wasn't 0. I think 0 would be fine. I think it would recognize 0 as normal. The count, I mean. But I think the ancestry is what did it, because it's trying to access a pointer inside of it, which it can't do if it's nil. So I can't really return nil on these other ones to test if this is accurate. So I just have to hope that it is. Oops. Wow. Wow. I've copy. The ancestry doesn't look like a word anymore. Either that or I misspelled it. And I just never realized. Okay. Hopefully this all works. I never checked to see if it compiles, actually. Fuck. Hold on. Cyclic. Cyclic, I hate that word now. Build. Okay. Structure 7. Wait. Provinces structure 7? Oh no. And this is in population. Ah, fuck. Alright. I'm moving this to provinces then. Which means I don't need that import anymore, but all of these need to go away. But I do need an import of provinces. Oh no, wait, no. Population. And then do population. Population dot population. ancestry, ancestry. Culture, 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 ancestry, religion, religion, religion. I think there's more, but we'll see. Boom, fuck. 50 in average. Okay, that's right. I forgot about that. Save, build. Okay, that's better. 46. Return pop. Oh yeah, that's right. Return value, not pop. And it compiled. Fuck. Well, it's not called yet. That's province menu, not the init. I need the init. And then let's do, move that right there. Copy this, paste it there. Comment this out. Boom. Provinces dot average prov pointer. Is it a pointer to prov, or is it just prov itself? No, it's just prov itself. Probably uses a pointer anyway, but see if this crashes. No. 2000 Riverlander Water Goddess. Okay, so I'm going to quickly look at provinces here. So these 3 provinces have, this one has 2, wait. This should have, province 1 should have 3,000 people in it. Okay, it does. This had 2,000, this had 1,500. So if I put this down to 1,000, this put up to 5, it should switch that to being halfling. The culture will be human, ancestry will be halfling, religion will still be water goddess. Water goddess, human, halfling. Okay, cool. Cool. That all works. Let me remove this, and that is all that. Alright, so back to what I was doing, nations. We'll do drow. What is the nation? So let's remove that. Oh, population growth I haven't done yet. I'll do that too. Right now actually. Population growth. And it would be in provinces this time. New growth. Odin. Move that over here. Ooh. This will require a new file. No, it won't require a new file. It will require new... Oh boy. This is going to be something else. So I need to go back here to init because where is terrains, religion, culture, ancestry? Which I guess I'm technically doing this right now. So that will actually change this into a array. So that is technically part of the thing. Growth. Oops. I'm going to have to figure out something with this. Oh, I don't have that open anymore. Put this over here so that I can see it. Human 0.001. No. Paste. Comma. Okay, or, well, halfling. I don't have halflings here. We'll just assume that they grow at the same rate as humans. So now we have, oh no. Okay. Let me just comment this out. Well, let me copy it and then comment it out just in case. Save the work we've done already. Okay, so ancestry. This is an array now though. For each object and ancestry object, clone to C string, ancestry object dot JSON dot object oh fuck, that's the name. Okay, so I need to get a name. Fuck. How do I do this? This is weird stuff to have in localization now. I'm gonna think about this for a minute while I take a small break. Alright, I'm back. I realized something I can do during the breaks that keeps my mind going, but not on code specifically, and gets me looking away from the screen. Working on writing the script for the devlog, since it's all fresh in my mind. I got a... what is that? I got a page done. Oh wait, no. Was it a page? Almost a page. But, let's get back to work. Alright. So, I thought of, actually, while I was writing too, I thought of a better way of doing this. It involves going back to this. Changing it to this. Boom, boom. That makes it simpler because, well, we have the name, the internal name, we have the localization name, and it's all indexed properly. So, let me just rewrite this. Object, ancestry, so for every object and thing. So, let me copy this over because I'm pretty sure I need to rewrite this. Ancestry.object.string, that's not what it is though, it is a JSON.object, and then do that local dot string. Population ancestry name is equal to locals dot string, and is it called growth? Yes, it's called growth. Growth is equal to, oops. F32, boom, dot F64, change this to growth. There we go. That fixes that. And that allows for other information to get sent through. I don't know why I didn't think to do it in the same way culture happened. But I imagine I'm able to get rid of that, but unfortunately I must add it here. Redo cultures to allow information to be put through. It basically will just be the same thing as this, just changing this to local. Oh, fuck. Actually, I'll do that right now. Fuck it. So, So we have object culture. So this is each thing, human, and then this is for every thing in that. Copy that here. I think that works, right? World map init 100. Ah. Thank you. And it works. Let's see if it runs, just to make sure. Okay, yeah, it works. And all the localizations work still. Cool. That's already done. Cool. Oh, religion wanted the same thing too. Okay, let me just do that while I'm here. Fuck. Let me just, do that. So, copy, boom, boom, local. Okay, religion. Why is that there? What was it? JSON dot object local dot string. Oops, sting. Copy this, put it there. Ooh. Alright, hello, I'm back. I think I did this correct, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did everything here right. Let me just make sure. Go over here. Water goddess. Evil drow god. Alright, cool. Everything's working. Cool. We actually is solving a bunch of issues. But the reason why I paused the timer is food time. So I will be taking a long break. I will be right back. Let me just make sure the browser, okay. Properties, okay, cool, that's working now. There you go. Alright. I will be back in a little bit. Okay, hello. Sorry about that, taking so long. That was very poor timing on my part. I should have waited a little bit for the break so I could eat during it. But it doesn't really matter in the end of the day. We are 2 hours into the stream almost. We are... I'm trying to think about things. So, I know what I'm going to do next. Just really wish people wouldn't be so loud. Having a yelling conversation at yelling volume. Alright. But God, as soon as I alright, so structured provinces, it was going to be here, yeah. So terrain, construct, and it was going to be the same structure as as one of these, so name. Comment this out. Eventually I'll get to work on growth. I can actually close that now. Alright, so terrain tr terrain name is equal to that. Fuck, and I need to do this now. Global paste and then finally paste. Is this the world data? Yes, it is. Provinces dot terrain list. Okay, and I'm pretty sure build means, yep, oh, wait, let me copy this. World map structure here. Okay, that took a while. That was weird. Alright, so world map init 139 here. This is not in provinces, so I need to do that build. TER. Name. What? 175. Oh, this is actual implementation. Province data terrain. I don't think this is necessary. Oh no, wait, this is actually. So go to provinces. Terrain is a pointer to terrain, much like the other stuff is. And then prov.terrain is equal to copy that. It's what prov data. Well, no, actual. It's data dot. Oh no. Yeah, no. Data dot terrain list indexed by that, and then it's a pointer to that. Boom. 54 province menu. Up here. This is doing the terrain stuff. That keeps bothering me every time I see it. Alright, so comment that out. Actually, I think I can comment all of this out and instead do, what would it be? It would be terrain localization data. Does this have world map? No, it doesn't. World map dot data dot terrain list player dot data dot current selection dot terrain dot name. Oh, I didn't import. What? Okay, I'm moving. Oops. I'm moving this stuff over here because those are technically part of that. Can I assign value of type C string to string and map index? Oh, wait. Does it? I'm very confused. Will that just work? What? 61? Type C string, yeah. Oh, pointer. Is that correct? I'm feeling like I fucked something up somewhere. No? It looks like that is correct. Yeah, no, that's correct. Alright. That is done. That needs to be worked on. This is done. Got that. Got that. Build. Okay, so now we have population growth. We can look at here, move this over here, do this. This is in package, provinces. And now, actually, if I'm not mistaken, this actually, what is the name of the average? I'm gonna do that because I think that's probably better. There's going to be an error. Let's see where it is. 980, 198. That I feel like that's better. Alright, close that. Wait. Let's just go through, add all of these, and it should just work. 16. Oh, I thought I added them to all of them. That's weird. Okay, cool. All right. Now for each pop in here, we what? Pop.count plus equals pop.count times pop.ancestry dot growth. I think that's it, really. That all of this is just printing now. Oh yeah. Human, half-elf. I don't have those implemented right now. You know what? At least for now. I'm just gonna put this as a question mark. Implement half elves slash half orcs slash half etc. etc. That's more of a question because I don't know if I want to do that or if, because that might just cause problems. It's really dependent on the situation, I think. I'll write that, but otherwise it's a lot easier than oh yeah, hold on, actually. This needs to be increased to, in growth is a F32, and then take this math dot round import core math. I think that's all I need. U64. Oh yeah. This means the populations can be fucking massive, which is stupid. Cannot assign to pop.count. Why not? What? Why not? Why not? All right. Basically the same thing. Oh wait. It's basically the same thing. And that works. I don't know why that works. I guess maybe because it's getting... Maybe it's making a copy technically. Don't have anything implemented yet though. If I do an update here, increment date, monthly game logic, uncomment that for province in world map data dot provinces. Provinces. Provinces data. Import, what would it be? It would be, dot dot, provinces. And then we do province, so we do, prov dot, oh wait, no, provinces dot, oh my god, they need to bark, they need to egg around to bark right now. I might need to do it the other way as well, because this might not be correct. Yeah, I cannot take pointer address of prov. So like then len of wait, I can't do it like that. I need to do it like, oh wait, because that's not, it's this prov, because prov is the color, not, yeah. So if I do this, so let's look at this. These are not updating. Okay, growth. So we just need to see what this is at the end of each tick. This will be a bunch of numbers. They are increasing. For some reason, it's not showing. Why isn't it updating? Oh, I know what the problem is. I am stupid, that's what. Province start is it average pop? Yeah, okay. Is equal to that. It's an output. It's not a. It doesn't do it for me. Anything else? Let me just clean this up. Get rid of this because I'm 90% sure it's working now. Build. I might want to delete the old one and see what happens. Hold on. So it has been roughly 5 years since the start of this. Human, well, that's tough because this is, well, human and halflings are the same rate, so this has gained from 3,000 to 3,183, a net gain of 183 people. And Drow, with a population of 10,000, have the exact same increase. Meaning that they need almost over three times the population in order to keep up. The thing is, there's probably going to be more people living in these provinces. And this is probably going to be the total population in this hold. These are so small. I definitely need to increase the size of everything, but that's stuff to do later on. How's my thing? Oh yeah, I still need to do nations and modes. Oh fuck. Okay. Well, that's done. So let me go back up to here. Population growth. I didn't delete images because there are functions in here that I haven't used yet, but I mean, I guess I don't need them, otherwise I'd use them. Nations. So growth is done. This is updating provinces, that's done. So I need to create the nations now. So let me open up a new folder here, nations, new file, structure, Odin. Copy that. Ooh, that is not the right. Okay, bring it over here, open up that. Is this? Yeah, I can delete that now. In old. Let's open up in old nation. GUI new. I don't think I need this anymore. Alright, so let's just change this to nation. This is the actual thing. Nations list. That sets that all right. I am prolifically using maps now. Okay. Yeah, I don't have flags yet. Local ID, name. Can't see what I'm typing right now. It's because I'm doing this. References to I'm trying to think of how to word this, but I'm not actually figuring it out. strings of default value, I guess. Like it's changing this from name C string to like Also, I have localization stuff. I have this in localization, but this is holding data as well. Actually, I can just use this as both of this stuff. I'll do that when I'm actually done refactoring, so that I have it more or less a clean slate and I can just go through. Because technically the refactoring process is a two-step process. It's changing the like style of everything from the old style to the new style, and then actually going through and fixing things. But for the most part, the fixing things portion is not going to really involve anything. Well, I don't think I'm going to be streaming it. I think I'll be recording it. Possibly. No, I'll be streaming it. Fuck. So here's the nation structure. Don't need that. Alright, and then I will copy that and paste it here. Change this to river states. Are they... Oh, I can just use the numbers. What was it? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. Just the first 3. Actually, I can just do it like this too. Copy this, paste it, and it wouldn't be 3, it would be 13. Save. What other stuff? Actually, all right, let's open up this so I can get the open with. Damn it. Let me just reveal in File Explorer. Oh, fuck. Oh, this is only one. I think this is RGB. So these are my own, so I don't need to worry about. Why is it? Oh, I don't need to worry about what color things are. Let me just open paint.net. Let's do a purplish. No, you can't do that. Fuck. Alright. Oh, wait, these are the wrong ones. Cool. Alright, so, and then river will be something different. So 7204. Oh, that's the same. Okay, cool. Local will be equal to, I don't know, fucking drow for now. Just do that. Until I can come up with actual shit. Human temp. Oh yeah, shit. There's also something else I forgot. Growth. Halfling's culture conversions. I need to do that. So that halflings that spend a lot of time in, it's going to look at the majority population, well, the mode population. So it'll look at like, oh, this province has a majority human population. I'm gonna become human, a human halfling. Might even be as specific as this ancestry is elf, but also drow, so we're gonna be drow halflings. It might be that specific, I don't know. For now, that is good enough. Let me move this over here, and then init. Oh, I gotta load the yeah, no, I don't. I could have sworn I hit copy. I need to do it actually here, not there. Because I need to. Map prefix, map name, map location. Actually, this is more of a relevant thing. Map province location. fuck. Alright. Do that. Ah, fuck my wrist. Oh, it's almost break time. Huh. Alright, so, what do I need to do now? Oops. Let me also do that. For bj in JSON data dot JSON object. This is for every single one here. Actually, yeah, no, this is good. I'm happy with this. At least for now. Local ID, I don't even think I need. So first things first. Localization, clone to C string. Boom. Close that. So then we take object, which is the first object. Well, no, it's draw hold. So obj.json.object. Or is it? No, it's fuck. It's JSON data. Wait. JSON data. obj dot JSON dot object, and then we do local to get the name. Change local ID to a string as the reference. Local ID is equal to dot string. Copy this. No. Actually, no, it would be object. Wouldn't it? It would just be object dot. No, it would just be object. Let's make sure. Hold on, need a comma. Expected semicolon 159. Ah, there was a error. Undeclared nations. Okay. Let me add you. Build. Undeclared name nations. What are you talking about? World map. Oh, structure. Boom. Okay, cool. It's working for now. So we get local ID name is equal to pointer to that. We'll probably change that equal to, this would be JSON data obj dot JSON dot object, and then color dot JSON dot object or dot f64, convert it to f32, comma, boom, boom, change these G, B, and then 255 alpha. Actually, it's not a 32, it is a U8, isn't it? What? 168. Oh. Let me just make sure. Yeah, okay. U8. Save. Okay, so color. Center point, name texture. Alright, and now owned provinces. Do I want to do named owned provinces? I don't think I can do it in here. No, it's a thing, so I would have to do it. Nation dot own. Wait, no, I would. Oh, color. Wait, they're indexed by color. Shit. How do I access them by the name then? Oh no, how do I do this? Because they're indexed by color. I don't want to have every single color be... Oh, I hate doing that. I think it might be... not a thing I put there, but something I make when I create the... Oh wait, I can't do nation beforehand. I have to do nation after loading the provinces. Wait, nation... Yeah, okay. Okay, so I need to take this right here, nation, move it after provinces. I actually knew that beforehand, fuck, and I just never checked down there. I need a... Wait, no. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be on break, so I'll be right back. Hello. Alright, let's get back to it. We are very close to basically being done. Do that is equal to boom, get the color, boom, boom, save. So that gets the province list of color. So then we get ID is equal to, ID is equal to just put that right there. Boom, boom. It's the JSON object. It would be F64. Instead of color, it would be provinces. Shit. For in JSON.array. So then we take ID is equal to prov I need to copy the parsing string convert parsing. Like that. Oh, fuck my neck. Still have basically an hour. This is my last 50 minutes, my last poem. So I gotta make it count. I won't get map modes done today, I know that. So, I'm still going to say that I finished the refactor today. What I'm going to do is because one of the things for this version is I wanted to rework how map modes work so that I have map mode UI. I'm just going to scrap, and because I'll be basically remaking the map mode system from scratch anyway, I will say the refactorization will be over even without it. I'm going to do this. I can't do it like that. Do this. So like that. So nations will be the only thing I have left to do. So so we parse the U60 of that. I hope that's correct. So we get the value. So we need to take, what is it? So this is a So this is the color. So nation dot wait, it would be append nation dot owned provinces, comma, that. And now I'm just going to fmt.printf because I want to see if this is working properly. So do that build. Undeclared named nations. Where 41 provinces structure. Good. Is that gonna cause a cyclic? No. 288 in init. Type value. Convert it to string, correct? Why am I even doing it like that? Well, it's because the IDs technically could be any string. And it's fine. Okay, so it looks like that works. I won't actually know until map modes is done. So center point. I have center point as a thing here in nations, calc center. But why? What is the point of this? Total. What is the point of the center point? I don't even know what the center point is used for. So I'm not even gonna bother with it. Like, and this is a simple enough thing. Yeah, this is literally just getting the center of the country. I'm guessing it's for something for like name. That would make sense, actually. It's probably the center point for the name. Might as well do it. Nations center point dot Odin. I'm just going to copy this and rewrite some things. Do that, comma, that. World map data, right? Just shove it around. 15. And declare name I. No, wait. That isn't... Okay, calculate center. Let's just... Center point is equal to... Oh wait, I can't do it there. I have to do it over here. Oh. Oh yeah, because it's supposed to just call a bunch of times whenever it's needed. Why is it only used twice? Oh, there's only 2 nations, that's right. So 5, 9. The only difference is height, which makes sense, I guess, because 3, it should technically be like right here in the center. And this one is almost directly south of that, so that kind of makes sense, actually. Yeah, I'm done with nations now. I'm going to take that as beginning refactorization is done. I'm also going to take that as scripting system is done. Well, the basics of the scripting system, obviously, it's not entirely done. So I think I will do map mode UI next, but we'll see. I'll put that at the top of the list. I know I have like priorities, and it's not exactly high, but it's something I'd like to get done now. Actually, I will set it too high for the future. Oh, fuck my wrist. Oh my god. I think, unfortunately, I'm going to end it for today, then. Ending half an hour technically early, but it's fine. It's fine. Next week, pick back up here. We're going to, potentially do map mode, but I do have a long list of shit that I need to get done, and I'm probably going to be adding to it. I do need to add... I'll just do this on stream. Okay, cool. It saved it. Let's... I don't know what the point of having delete there. Like it says it like it's a shortcut key, but there's like hovering over and hitting delete doesn't do anything. Clicking on and clicking delete doesn't do anything. Right clicking and then clicking delete doesn't do anything. You have to click on delete. this is version 3 that, and I'll start putting shit on here that I want to do eventually, but not immediately. I think a good portion of this stuff. So there's going to be a point in the relative near future where a lot of the work we're going to be doing is going to be mechanics. Not near future. I don't know why. Yeah, well, no, actually, yeah, near future. The base is almost done. It's almost time for mechanics. So, what would be a good name for the future? Because one of the things. So, let me open up Notepad so I can type shit up. So, there's a bunch of shit that I want to pretend what I do. There's a mission system. Government reform system. I don't think I've actually talked on stream about what I want for these systems. For the mission system, okay, so I'll do it like this. 4 options. I don't type faster than I speak, so fuck, I'll just say it. Basically, the mission system is like this. There is 4 missions that you can choose from. It's essentially like a help wanted board, or adventure is needed board, quest board, essentially. You have 4 options. 2 are, at most 2 are guaranteed to be nation-dependent missions. At most 1 is ancestral missions, and at least 1 is either cultural or religious missions. Usually religious, because usually there'll be a religious mission too if you have a province that isn't converted or that doesn't have the what's it called, the average person isn't of that religion, and depending on your religious tolerance of your religion, you might be okay with some percentage not being the same religion, but you might want might want it to be completely your religion. It's that kind of thing. Cultural might be like cultural conversions if you have a large population that is of your ancestry but not of your culture. Ancestral, which is probably mostly going to be like getting specific territories, ancestral lands, that sort of thing, or increasing your population or infrastructure in majority that ancestry provinces, that sort of thing. But the main one is nation-based missions, which are kind of like the mission tree in EU4 and the focus tree in Hearts of Iron. Mostly the mission tree in EU4, where there's requirements for each mission. You choose them, you do the mission, and then it gives you a bunch of shit. The idea is going to be that you can't actually see the mission tree. Like, I love the idea of the mission tree in EU4, but I wish there are 2 major problems with it. One, it makes the player, well, it doesn't make it, but it encourages the player to play in an unnatural way for the nation you're playing as, because you're going to be looking at your mission tree and you're going to be saying, oh, I can get this bonus if I do this mission, so I need to do the missions before it really quickly. and it causes you to do things in a not so organic way. Another downside is because of how the mission tree is set up, you could have missions you can be doing elsewhere on the mission tree, but you don't know that they're there. You don't know that you have them available to do. So, oh, why am I dropping frames? It's a good thing I'm just about done for the day. So the basic idea for this system is that you have 4 options, you choose one of them, and then you do that mission, and that's the only one you can accomplish. If you get a mission that you already have the requirements for, there will be a cooldown before you can choose another mission. But it's mostly just to slow down progress enough. Also, I think different missions are probably going to have different, like, cooldown periods. Like, some missions will just be like, oh, just fucking do this. Instantly you can choose another mission, it's fine. Other ones are going to be like, oh no, you gotta wait a while. Your country is doing shit right now. But yeah, it'll make it so that obviously I'm going to have the mission trees available to look at. Maybe there'll be some kind of external thing, or maybe it will be in the game. But I do want you to be able to. I want it to be more organic the way things go. It also puts less pressure on you to keep in mind every single different mission you could be doing, so that you're thinking of other stuff. Other more important shit, like what's actually going on. But yeah. And the government reform system is going to be somewhat similar to EU4, but kind of more like a Civ tech tree almost. Essentially, you choose. It's a reform tree. You choose the reform you want to take, and you generate reform progress, and it goes towards that one. I don't know if it's going to be a system like you get partial effects as it's implementing or something like that. I don't know if I want to go through all of that process, but it is an option. It also having that kind of system, basically like a halfway point between the tech tree and EU4's reform system. And the reform system will be a lot more dynamic because you can choose multiple things unless there are certain ones that are completely like one or the other. Like, I think the most obvious ones are like you can go down a Republican tradition kind of system while still being a monarchy. But if there will be obviously certain things that will be cut off because you are a monarchy. In reverse, you could probably do some monarchical shit while being a republic, but not all of it. It's also probably going to be things like the system. I call it government reform, but it's kind of like a mixture of the government reform progress system from EU4 and kind of like the ideas from EU4. I get a lot of inspiration from EU4 because it's one of my favorite Paradox games. It's definitely up there with Victoria, and as soon as Victoria 3 specifically, as soon as Victoria 3 gets more flavor per nation, I'm going to fucking love it. Right now, every nation, like, a lot of people complain about it, every nation being the same, and it is a problem. I still do love the game, and I think it's great. It needs work, but I think it was successful enough compared to at least compared to Imperator, that Paradox is gonna be like, all right, we have time to fix this, and we know what the problems are. I think the main problem with Imperator is they had nothing to go off of. They were building a game from scratch, so they were just throwing ideas around, and they didn't know what the game was really trying to be. And you can see that in the fact that the game changed drastically from release to its final version. Meanwhile, Victoria 3 already has an identity, and all it needs is tuning more towards that identity. But yeah, I'm very excited to actually get mechanics in the game. Obviously, the things that need to be done quickly, well, first of all, the things that need to be done first are, I think the mission system can wait, the government reform system can wait. I think the most important thing for me to do is an army system. Being able to raise armies. Let me change this to green. So we have army system. Let me swap those. And what else? Kind of the halfway point between those two things is warfare, which is like actual combat and stuff like that, because raising an army is one, having like the army system is one thing, but having them actually fight other armies that you're at war with is another. The previous one was called governance. I think staying true to its inspirations. Casus Belli. Once getting combat all settled, it's probably going to be a relatively small version, but it's going to have a lot of work to it in total. It's going to have a lot of work. I'm going to be separating these three things into multiple things to do. And you know what? I'm just gonna keep adding, planning ahead as far as I possibly can. Four. What is important after combat? After declaring war, I guess a diplomacy? Being able to actually form alliances and whatnot. Although that might be better to do with war itself. What would be good for the version after warfare and diplomacy? Actually, that gives me a better name for this than Casus Belli. It's a very standard name for that sort of thing, but I like it. Is this the time to start doing mechanics? think having mission trees first, because one of the things with government reforms is the government you have will also determine a lot about your play style. For example, the current with the how the my world currently is with the two countries, I may not have like lore and backstory all nailed down 100% yet, but I definitely have an idea of what the governing systems are like. The Drow are definitely theocracy. Well, at least this hold is a theocracy. Meanwhile, the River Nation is going to be... It's currently one nation, but it's actually going to end up being multiple, because they're more of a... they're tribal. They have a lot of infighting going on in between them. Yeah, I think, you know what? Mission system. Actually, just to keep on theme. I need to think of a better name than government reform, because that's basically just copying EU4. I guess I could... Government ideology. Or government structure. I think getting colonization down in that section is going to be good. See, the thing is with the warfare, with War and Peace, is going to be that I'm going to have to expand the map more northward, or east, no, north or westward, so that we can see more nations other than the one we currently have. Therefore, so that we can have them fight and choose them to fight, or make alliances and whatnot. I think this is a good plan for the future. We have... I think the quest system in the government ideology system will be complicated enough, because I think a lot of it will actually have to do with a lot of minor changes that will probably break a lot of shit. Because for both of them, I'm going to need, like, to make everything a variable, basically. And government ideology and quests are going to have to be able to change those things, either permanently or temporarily. But for now, I think that's good. I definitely think that I have an identity for the game. And even if I don't, I definitely think I have enough mechanic ideas and solid ideas for those mechanics that at the very least, if the game itself doesn't have an identity in its core elements, it can be added with the mod itself, or with the world stuff itself. So that's something I definitely really want with this game, is that you can add a lot of shit to it. I still need to look into the potential of having DLLs, libraries that you can put in your mod and have them be loaded by the game for for that sort of stuff. I definitely think it's more so now possible, but I mean, there's no guarantee. We'll have to see. We will have to see. But I think that is it for me today. Got a lot of work done today. Let me finish up by I think that's good enough. Let's see what the oh geez 524 insertions, 1300 deletions. Oh, I did not delete some stuff. Owned provinces. Oh yeah, I didn't do this. You know what? I'll do this really quickly. Oh wait, no. It would be under world map, wouldn't it? Get owned provinces. Oh, did I never actually set the provinces as... No, I didn't. I never actually finished. Alright. I was going to stop. For prov in nation dot owned provinces that would be data. Oh no, actually it would just be data because we're in world. Provinces data prov dot owner equal to nation, right? It's a pointer to owner. Yeah. Yeah. No, that's jeez. Simplifying. For nation and nation lists, set owned province, pointer to nation. No, that's. Oh, I never import. Cannot assign in map. What? Okay. So I didn't simplify it. The fuck? Every province and owned provinces. Infer nation that is a color. Is equal to, I guess, if I do pointer, does that help? $19. Oh. Alright, so I can't. I've been overthinking it. Fuck. I equal to 0, I is less than length of data dot nations list I plus equals 1. There. Build. 19. Yeah, oh, wait. I know. Jeez. I'm stupid. I thought it was a dynamic list for some reason. I mean, dynamic string, not a, map. I don't know why I thought that. I've been literally making everything a map. Technically, nothing I did should have changed anything visible. In fact, actually, I don't even call the function. There we go. I call a function now. Oh, hold on, let me open up Notion again. There's one last thing I want to do that I want to put in here, and it's for this version. It is... So, I need to actually like look at this. There we go. That's an important thing that I totally forgot to put. I realize that now, looking at how I have this set up, I need to separate a lot of this out. Basically, I need to separate it into... It also uses provinces a lot of the data stored in provinces. Let me do a quick to-do. Basically, as soon as though... Okay, wait, I can delete that. Owned provinces, delete that. Which also means I can delete that. GUI new, I think I'm going to basically just restart. So yeah, that means I can delete old. Technically, this is done now. Let's just commit this last bit. Oh, wait, there was one last thing I need to do. 6 streams. Look at all that. It all compiles, right? Cool. Alright. Well, that will be it for me today as I close out everything. Thank you guys for watching. This has been a very productive day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.